Hello everyone, this is Miklos. Today I'd like to show you the newest piece in my collection, this beautiful red Old Cross Victorinox Pioneer. I had a pretty shitty day yesterday, but post was waiting for me when I got home, and this was in it. It's in almost perfect condition. It's a Pioneer with brass liners, but the keyring holder spacer is not made of brass. It's in very good shape. The tip of the awl is perfect. It's a little dirty, but I will give it some good cleaning and it will be a great knife. Old style bottle opener, can opener is also in perfect shape, and the main blade, just like the other tools. It's great. And this knife is also special because it has a year stamp, 1985. You can see the paint is off in a few places only, and it's very dirty, but I will give it a good cleaning as soon as I have the time, and it will be a beautiful piece in my collection. Thanks for watching, guys.